Tonight, we're diving into a story that has Wall Street and Silicon Valley buzzing. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, is selling nearly $800 million of his company's shares. This comes as Nvidia's stock price hits record highs, making it one of the world's most valuable companies. The big question, why now? Is this a warning that the rally is over or just smart financial planning? Nvidia is at the heart of the AI revolution, with its chips powering the technology shaping our future. Understanding Huang's move could offer clues about the future of AI, the stock market, and the economy. Is he signaling that Nvidia's best days are behind, or simply cashing in after an extraordinary run? The timing is what's raising eyebrows. Nvidia's stock has soared over 200% in the past year, surpassing giants like Google and Amazon. When a CEO sells a large block of shares at a peak, investors take notice. Some see it as a red flag, wondering if the person with the most insight thinks the stock is overvalued. But there's another side. Executives often sell shares for personal reasons: diversification, philanthropy, or wealth management. Huang's fortune is overwhelmingly tied to Nvidia. Selling a fraction could be prudent. We'll explore both sides tonight, looking at the facts and hearing from experts. Is this a warning sign or just a smart move from a seasoned leader? The answer isn't simple, but it's crucial for anyone watching the future of tech and investing. Let's dig into the details and context behind this massive stock sale. What does it mean for Nvidia, for AI, and for the market? Stay with us as we break down what's really happening behind the headlines. We'll separate speculation from strategy, and by the end, you'll have a clearer picture of what this $800 million sale truly means. To understand today's news, let's look at Nvidia's journey. Founded in 1993, Nvidia started as a maker of graphics chips for gamers. For years, it battled for dominance in the gaming market, a profitable but niche business. The real transformation began when researchers realized Nvidia's GPUs were perfect for complex calculations, not just video games. This discovery sparked Nvidia's pivot toward AI and data science. The company invested in software and tools, betting on a future few could see. But the path wasn't smooth. After the crypto boom ended, Nvidia faced a chip surplus and its stock price plunged. In 2022, shares lost over half their value, and analysts questioned its future. Those who held on needed faith in Nvidia's long-term vision, led by CEO Jensen Huang. That faith paid off when ChatGPT launched, igniting a global AI frenzy. Suddenly, every company needed Nvidia's chips to build AI models. Demand skyrocketed, turning a surplus into a shortage. Nvidia's data center business exploded, redefining its role in the global economy. The company went from a graphics card maker to the engine of the AI revolution. Its recovery wasn't just a rebound, it was a complete reinvention. Nvidia's story is one of vision, resilience, and seizing the right moment. It's now essential to the world's most important technology shift. That's why every move by its CEO matters. The stakes have never been higher, and the world is watching. Nvidia's stock surge is fueled by the new AI gold rush. In this rush, Nvidia isn't digging for gold. It's selling the picks and shovels. Every major tech company is spending billions on AI infrastructure, and most of that money goes to Nvidia. Its H100 and B200 chips are the industry standard for training and running AI models. This demand isn't just from Silicon Valley, it's global. Countries worldwide are racing to build their own AI capabilities, creating massive new markets for Nvidia. The numbers are staggering. Nvidia's revenue and data center business have grown at rates rarely seen for a company its size. Investors see this as the start of a long-term trend, not a temporary spike. Nvidia's chips are powering breakthroughs in science, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. Each new field opens up even more potential markets. The convergence of these trends has created a perfect storm of demand. That's why Nvidia's stock has soared. It's not just about hype, it's about being at the center of a technological revolution. The company's role is pivotal, and its growth story is far from over. This is the context behind the stock's incredible run. Let's break down Jensen Huang's stock sale. This wasn't a spur-of-the-moment decision. It's part of a Rule 10 B51 trading plan, set up in March. These plans let insiders sell stock on a preset schedule, avoiding accusations of insider trading. The plan allows for up to 600,000 shares to be sold, a small fraction of Huang's total holdings. Recent SEC filings show the first sales, 120,000 shares for about $12.5 million. If the plan continues, the total could reach $800 million at current prices. Still, Huang owns tens of millions of shares. His wealth remains tied to Nvidia's future. The timing, right after a stock split and record highs, fuels debate. Skeptics see it as a well-timed exit. Supporters call it prudent diversification. This isn't his first time selling under such a plan. The key signal, he's keeping the vast majority of his stake. That's a strong vote of confidence in Nvidia's long-term prospects. Despite the CEO's sale, Wall Street remains overwhelmingly bullish on Nvidia. Most analysts rate the stock a buy, with some raising price targets even higher. Some predict another 30% climb, betting that AI-driven demand is just beginning. Nvidia's total addressable market for AI chips and software is projected to reach trillions over the next decade. Hedge funds are piling in, seeing Nvidia's technological lead as a powerful moat. One analyst even set a target implying a $5 trillion market cap. The company's CUDA software ecosystem locks in developers, making Nvidia more than just a hardware company. Still, a few contrarians warn of bubble-like excitement and high valuations. They worry growth can't keep up, and any disappointment could trigger a sharp correction. These voices are in the minority, but their caution is worth noting. The market's optimism is clear but not unanimous. The debate continues. Are we seeing a market top for Nvidia, or just a pause before more growth? As companies get bigger, maintaining rapid growth gets harder. Nvidia's explosive gains can't last forever. Risks loom: competition from AMD, Intel, and even Nvidia's own customers designing custom chips. Geopolitical tensions, especially with China, could also impact sales. But the AI revolution is still young, with many industries yet to adopt it. Nvidia is innovating fast, releasing new chip architectures every year. This relentless pace keeps competitors scrambling to catch up. Whether this is a peak or a pause depends on Nvidia's execution and the continued growth of AI. The stock may be volatile, but long-term believers see dips as buying opportunities. They argue Nvidia's role in AI is so central, today's price could look cheap in hindsight. The future hinges on innovation and demand. The debate is fierce, but the story is far from over. Investors must decide, is this the top or just the beginning? Nvidia's ambitions go far beyond today's AI boom. Jensen Huang is building the foundation for the next industrial revolution. Robotics is a key focus, with platforms like Isaac and Jetson powering everything from warehouse robots to self-driving cars. The potential market for autonomous machines could surpass even data centers. Nvidia's Omniverse platform enables digital twins, virtual models of real-world objects and environments. This technology could transform manufacturing, engineering, and urban planning. Nvidia is also accelerating its chip innovation, with new architectures like Rubin already announced. The goals stay generations ahead of competitors and lock in customers. All these initiatives show Nvidia is thinking decades ahead. Huang isn't just selling chips, he's building an ecosystem of hardware, software, and services. This long-term vision gives investors confidence, even at high valuations. The bet isn't just on today's chips, but on Nvidia leading the next wave of tech innovation. The roadmap is bold, and the world is watching. So, what does Jensen Huang's $800 million stock sale really mean? The timing is impossible to ignore. Selling at all-time highs invites skepticism. Some see it as a signal that the rally could pause. Others see prudent financial planning. The sale was pre-planned and represents a tiny fraction of his holdings. Huang's fortune remains overwhelmingly tied to Nvidia's future. Insider sales are just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. Far more important are Nvidia's fundamentals: growth, margins, innovation, and competitive edge. On those fronts, Nvidia is firing on all cylinders. The bull case is built on real results and a central role in the AI revolution. Is this a warning sign, or just noise in a bigger story? Only time will tell. What do you think? Warning sign or smart strategy? Let us know.